Hi, welcome back. I'm Stephanie, and welcome to Building Your Path to Success. On this channel, we focus on sharing information so that high school and/or college students can learn to separate themselves from the pack by building their resume with meaningful internships, scholarships, conferences, and other opportunities so that they can ultimately be in a more competitive position to pursue the career choice of their liking. I focus on short segments of time, but give lots of information so that those who are interested can explore and become knowledgeable of a lot of these programs that are out there that, for some reason, are not shared often. If you like this kind of information, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe so that you can get the information when it first comes out. This summer, I've had the opportunity to focus on bridging to PhD programs. So this is a continuation of that. A lot of bridging to PhD programs is really designed for underrepresented minorities who are in this career field or on this academic track to help them to get the research, the experience, mentorship needed in order to get into a PhD program. Today, I'm going to focus on the APS Physics Bridge Program. I know a lot of people shy away from physics. This is just one of a few programs in physics that I will be talking about during the summer. With the APS Bridge Program, of course, this is for graduate school again. It's a Postbachelorette Program, meaning you have already earned your undergraduate 4-year degree and you're interested in going on to a PhD. If you are unsure about physics, don't let this scare you because there really may be a pathway for you. And there are a lot of programs, they're really interested in getting minorities to come through this pathway. Minorities are African Americans, Latinos, indigenous people. It goes on and on. So I want you to think about not only this bridging program, but other ones as well. So what makes a person qualified for a program like this? Well, you should already have a bachelor's degree or about to earn or finish up your bachelor's degree. And it should be in physics or a closely related discipline, biophysics, applied physics, engineering physics. And if you're not actually a physics major, you may be another science major and you should have completed the core physics requirements. So that again, maybe you're a chemistry major because you may be a few classes off, but those electives, if you're a sophomore in college right now and you need a few more electives, say if you're a chemistry major, you're already going to get your calculus 1, your calculus 2, your calculus 3, your differential math, and you have to take a few physics courses. Maybe some of your electives can be other physics courses so you can have that core classes so that you can possibly be qualified. You should be a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. And for some programs, and you want to check each program, sometimes you could be a DACA student, be in the DACA program. And some of the programs, they don't want you to actually apply for grad school yet. They want you to actually apply for programs like this. So with this particular program, the APS Bridge program in physics, they don't want you to have been accepted into or even applied to a graduate program. They want you to come here so that they can give you all the supports needed so that you're successful. And this particular program, they work with other colleges. So some of the colleges that they work with are California State University, Florida State, Indiana University, Ohio State, University of South Florida, University of Central Florida. And when you do these programs, this program probably will not open up until the spring. So I'm saying I will leave the information in the description. you may want to look into this maybe December when you go on your winter break, since they'll usually open up in the springtime. You can also contact them and ask questions. You know, they talk about what kind of careers can you get if you major in physics and you get a PhD in physics. You know, what can I actually do? For a lot of people, they're thinking, I don't know if I want to do this. If you are a woman, they have information about women in physics. They have information about minorities in physics, LGBT in physics. There's a lot of information, and they really want to open the door and be inclusive of all people. However, the problem is all people are not getting this information. So what I'm going to do is share this information description. If you think you may be interested in physics, or if you know someone who may be interested in physics, share this information with them. You know, I think that physics opens up a lot of doors. There are a lot of people who major in physics who actually go into engineering. So you're not limited on just being, you know, some people teach. So that really physics is, if you ask me, it reminds me of like an MBA, but in the science world. So again, if you like this kind of information, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I want to add one more thing. All the programs I talk about, they're going to be competitive. They're looking for people who have usually a minimum 3.0 to even be considered. So if you are a freshman or a sophomore and you're looking at this, I'm talking about on the college level, these types of programs should help you to focus more, know what's out there, because they're going to use your GPA as a filter to eliminate people. So try to maintain your GPA, go get help if you need help. Tell your professors, every university has like different learning labs. Don't wait until it's too late. Get the help you need early on, because it's going to be hard to pull up your GPA after a certain point. So really try to seek out the help. Even if you have a B, maybe with a little help, that can put you over the curve for an A. Even other internships that you hear me talk about, they're going to look for certain GPAs. So these are all filters just to eliminate people because they don't take in tons of people. Again, I just want to thank you for listening today about the APS program in physics, the bridging program, and I will leave information in the link. Again, this should open up around December 2021, January 2022. And if you don't see it then, go back and look in February. So I know that this does open up in the spring. That means that during the school year in the fall, that means you should be building or making sure your resume is ready, your CV is ready. You lined up people for your letters of recommendations. You have a statement, a personal statement. Those are the things that you should be working on while you're waiting to apply for this program. And never apply to just one program. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you've enjoyed this.